And it is so fucking weird. The phone that you're using, the phone where you use for class me, and me give the money for buy the phone. Let's talk about that. I gave you the money in your hand to buy the phone. So it just goes to show how ungrateful you are. It goes to show how ungrateful you are. I literally begged somebody to buy your phone. And they gave me the money and I gave it to you to buy the phone. So when you go come and call up my name when you and other people have beef and draw me in it, I'm gonna have nothing at all to do with it. Yeah, pass your place. Yeah, pass your place now when you do that. Yeah, pass your place now. And I am not one of those people where I go hear people bring me down to the ground and I tell lie upon me and don't answer them. Me's not like that. Thank you, baby. Me's not like that. If you bring me down and try tell a lie upon me, me I go come defend myself. Who no want hear what me I say? Come off of my life and go suck out to no mother. Alright, they say it there. But nobody can tell me when for talk, how for talk, and who for talk about. This is my platform. I wanna come on my platform. So if you don't want to hear what me I say, left my ends. Alright, there's something there. Cause when him a diss up people, and when him dep on him live I bring down people, the big idiot girl them were over there. Champion, one when name Pinky something another, the whole of you were over there idiot. The whole of you over there idiot. You don't mean him no good. As a matter of fact, you guys don't like him. That's the worst part of it. You don't like him. You don't like him. And him worse than I like you know. Cause it now go take him nothing for him cussing no. It not take him nothing for him cussing no. But when you go make a statement and tell people say me threaten you and your life in danger because of me, do not tell any lie on me. And me send man for you. I'm not send a man for you. When Rosalie did send man for you, you could make no video for Rosalie. You could have put up no picture with Rosalie. But me have strength for. I'm not want you call my name, brother, because we are not friends. And I will continue to say it. I don't want a friend from you. You're bad mind, you're ungrateful, and you don't know what it is to be a man. Because you walk with a pussy under you. If 10 people give you upon the app right now, you're going to take the people their money and you're going to mind young boy with it. That's what you're going to do. That's why I'm going to tell the people them stop give you. Stop give you. You is a big workless body man. Stop give you. You is a big careless body man. Yeah, him use the same phone for class me. And every day they pan live. One Derrick Morgan pan the blood clot app. And you know make it to glean a pic for TikTokers and you create a big scene. You're so bad mind that you even ask why glean a pic Jaden. You know sister you're corrupt. You know sister you're corrupt. You fall off and there's no coming back. This is Jamaica. We do get tired of people. You think you're hot today, tomorrow everybody wake up and their mind change against you. That's why I always tell people, enjoy your 5 minutes of fame. I remember when Brittany Goff was the biggest and the hottest and the famous, most famous person on TikTok. And she gradually go down. She gradually go right down. So who is you? You see nobody not even remember the song. The little big idiot fool song where your Maka sing. Me say guys, nobody no remember it again. Because the two of you is a shit in a plate. The two of you are shit in a plate. Maka careless and you careless. Maka careless and you worse a careless. Anytime nothing na go on for Maka, she draw for your artist and call up them name for get a hype. And she draw you right behind her in the mix up. Right behind her she draw you. And she is the only person where you know where have my address. So anyhow you feel like you're bad, put out my address. Put out my address and me, personally, come right down at 10 Hillview Avenue Fair right now today, Sunday. Today is Sunday? Today is Sunday? I not even know today what. Me come down the fair right now. You don't know how we are deal with. There is limit to this fucking thing. There is limit. Maka was a legend. Maka was my friend. But you see, when you take up yourself and you mix up yourself with certain shit in a plate, people forget a hype. You just, it's like you're up here so, and it's like you just bring yourself right down. Because you think you're doing something good for yourself, but you're actually degrading yourself. And the same thing goes for me. When I take up myself and mix up myself with you, trying to help you, I bring myself right down. People start look upon me as a nobody. Because that your company is a company I should have never ever mixed up myself in. But you see that word that we name benefit of the doubt? You see that word that we name allow people to be who they want to be? You see that word that we name trying to help? That is our biggest downfall. Sometimes you have to leave people with them there. Imagine you are homeless for 25 years. That's the amount of time you say you're homeless, right? That's how long you say you are homeless. You are homeless for 25 years. The government nothing for help you. Nobody big in the industry, in the Jamaica kind of thing for say, all right, let's get Derrick Morgan somewhere to live. Nobody is interested to help you. Why? Why nobody no want to help you? Just give me a good reason why nobody would want to help you. Dirty Batty man, why nobody no want to help you? Tell me. Them no want to help you because them say you're careless. I have seen where people offer to give you job and you turn it down. People offer to give you a job and you turn it right fucking down. Guys, tap up the screen. You turn it right down. You turn down every job, every help where people try to help you. You turn it down. Because you make up your mind mentally, so you want to be a careless batty man and you don't want to work. Because people on TikTok, like uno people where watch me now, in a film head, uno I go take on the money give him every day. And the worst part of it, everybody help him cuss them. So just look on it, look on the logics of it now. You are gonna take your money and give somebody where you see behave so ungrateful towards other people who help them. Talk the truth. And then every day you come you make video. Guys, please me I beg you no. Help Uncle Derrick. Him is a homeless man. Him homeless for 25 years. Please me I beg you no guys. Help Uncle Derrick to get somewhere by January. Me no want the New Year's catch me. I'm gonna live nowhere. Shut the fuck up. Shut up. You're not even at work for somebody even recommend renting a place to you. And let's just be honest, you're not. You're not working.
You have MoneyGram. Yeah? Me not do you not, me never call your name yet. But let me tell you this. Me I go tell you this. I mean, now go talk again. Can me not the type to come talk and lower my standard like them. Me tell you this. Listen good. Freedom is the best. Derrick, we make you see the bus them and the taxi them a pass your gate and can't blood clot take it. We make you can't. Derrick, the people them contact me already. The people them see the video. The man them down a town see the video and them contact me. They
Yeah.
could have make you get 2 boxes in your face, but me tell them to low it.
I man, when him have a mind, him a boots him up.
Derrick, don't you ever try me again because you will make your can't blood clot go a ton. We will make your can't. We will make your hey Derrick, be careful of what you are doing. You know? You see your people are get tear down for tick. Derrick, be careful, you know. Do not mess with people when I mess with you.
You don't know my people, them man.
Derrick, in this day and age, make video and tell life on people.
That me know.
Make video and tell life on people, especially people you don't know people background. What are you doing? You don't know my background, Derrick. I'm money talk, Derrick. Let me make your hey bumbo, hey Derrick. Let me make your yam, hey Derrick Morgan. The people them see the video and see how you diss me and contact me. All day yesterday and last night. Be careful because them are wait on the go ahead. Okay? I the go ahead, them are wait on. I beg for you. Derrick, make a video and apologize to me because them are wait on him. Hey, Derrick, apologize. Do not mess with people who you don't know them and you don't know them background. You don't know people. Jamaica is not America. The man them never town only want $5,000 and a bottle of rum. That's all they want.
Yeah, tell you.
People, stop company. Me and a Rose. Me is not Rose. Me is not Rose a blood clot. Don't fuck your bumper clot with me. Don't do it again. I apologize. Are you all right? Take me down, my girl.
That time problem now, you know. Him not know people, you know. And you come and you fuck around everybody. And you don't know who is who. You
Me
don't
don't want no apology from him. No apology me don't want from him. Because as me say, him coulda get a box up yesterday. Him coulda get a box up yesterday.
You don't know who is who. You are trouble people and you don't know who is who. You're right down there, sir, Hillview. Where a man can easy well check in at the guest house, lay wait you till you come downstairs and beat out your blood clot and check out back. You have to walk and you keep on a trouble people. And the people them, a long time him a this Danny for no reason of course. And the people them, where him have up in the box, them not tell himself to stop trouble people. They're not telling him.
Alright. So me come out of the golden age home, out of the home to address you. Look at dirty man, dirty batty man, Derrick. Me want you come off of my bumper clot name now. Me tired for hear me you call up my name in your stinking mouth. Listen to me. Me have class, me have character, me have profession, me have properties. You understand?
Right,
Me and a body. Stop calling me bomber clot name. Alright? Stop calling me bomber clot name because you don't know nothing about me. You don't know me from nowhere. You don't know nothing at all about me. So
Yeah.
don't call me name again. And me I tell you, say, I'm not there Jamaica, you know. But you need to come off of my bomber clot name. I'm tired of you know. Stop calling up my name drunk, bro. Stop calling up my name dirty batty man. Stop calling up my name. Alright?
Money talk. A money talk at Jamaica, you know. You're not after there, money talk. You done talk, Michi?
Yeah, I'm done, man. I'm done.
Verbal, go through.
Wagwan. I'm good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
I'm the last one. I'm the last one for the new year. I'm now go at 2025 date. I'm my last one in.
Right, let's go.
Through Derrick see me so in Billy say me can pay 2 man 5,000 and get him a back like NSC for take him in. Him better take sleep mark and mark that make him always on a blood clot town. Him always on a town. Always on a town and I'ma fuck around with me. Listen to me. Listen to me. I don't see this man, you know. You understand? The man I call up my name. I'm a class already. I'm done with it. The man dep on me. One thing me I tell him, me not talking with Derrick. Me not talking with him. More than I give a man a $5,000 and 2 back like anything for him blood clot head before the year end. Make him go on. I mean I want no apology. And who wants screen record this and send it to him? You can send it to him because I'm afraid of blood clot police.
Just tell me
Yeah,
when
but you
you
know?
screen record so I can do it in the right angle. You understand?
Yeah. Me in a business, who wants to send it to me in a business? Him love work and trouble people too much. Love work and trouble people and build up and tell life and people.
Yeah.
Want him me a blood clot, tell him say. Mission got all the blood clot proof of everything is sending the blood clot video about me. Cause if you not prove him, I get blood clot lick left, right, and center. And me not want to apologize for my blood clot. Me gonna show him what one nerve I keep about half. Remember now one Spanish Town blood clot badness. One Spanish Town badness. One blood clot 5,000 and 2 back like anything for your blood clot before the new year then.
Now ask Christ. You know who is people? Yeah, walk a trouble.
No, listen about this lady. She see me son about said in Billy say me don't have nobody and Billy say me not have no money. My money still don't pan. I'm gonna live somewhere.
Herbal, all if you not have the money, me will send you the money.
Yeah.
I want badness. A certain boy now going at the new year.
Oh.
Either them go get a broke and a broke foot.
Him have to get something more.
Or them remember him say you so good girlie.
Why am I walking so good? I'm walking so good. But boss lady, me like how you fix it because what he trying to do there, like if somebody else do him something, he gonna try to say it's you. So I'm glad that you come because me never hear say you're threatening you on that type of level for say fuck wrong E. But if he give out your address, you have all rights and all means to fuck you up. Me nah look, me nah ask, me nah quit. But when me tell Derrick something, me why you come, I help me suck the butt them what you telling people I suck it. Yeah, why I telling you? I want you to come and help me suck it because I'm out tired right now. It tired. So I need help and assistance surrendering for your help me. Since you know how much would me suck and everything. Me walk and suck out. Boss lady, I don't even have the courage for this man.
Yeah.
I don't even have the courage to say anything to him because he's useless. Useless. And from I help you, I gonna talk big. From I have to help you and feed you, you can't talk to me. You can't level up to me.
No, not there.
Not there, not time. From your dep on your hungry bed and I call me and bother me and I see your face every day, I ask this man if he eat. And you come for class, me? Sorry for Marga dog, they turn around and bite you. My mother always tell me that. When you see Marga dog, you left them.
That me know.
Thing you pass. Yes, face, yeah, your face can't pass.
But me come on to send out the message to him in Island TV. Make no step. The video when him put up, I tell people say, for look for me because anything happened to him and my fault. Me threaten him. Me never threaten you, sir. I never threaten you. Oh, you gonna make a video and tell such a lie upon me say me threaten you. Me not threaten you. Which man me send for you? I gonna talk about you gonna put up my number and my address. Try it. Me now ask you. Try that shit with me. If you're bad, if you name Derrick Anthony Morgan, do it. Do it and do it with immediate effect. And you see something panda up here. You see something. You want somebody to threaten you? I will give it to you physically. Me not have to threaten you. Me know where you live down at 10 Hillview Avenue at Eastwood Park Road. At the big thinking guest house. Me will come down there, come ring off your neck myself. and kick out your side teeth where you not have. So when you and Kems have on a problem, don't involve me now in a problem. Me and you a friend. Me and you been done from last month. Me left you and drop you. Me and you a friend. If you and Kems have battles, fight it with Kems. Don't call me name. And you gonna come talk about me suck wood and me sell pussy. Come with a different story. Your storyline is played out. Come with a different story. You can't trouble people and not live nowhere. You can't trouble people and dep on road every single day I walk freely. People will damage you. Remember, you're hated by many, not just me, not just Danny, not just Girly. You're hated by many. So if somebody lick your way right now, the whole Jamaica rejoice. Cause them tired of you, literally. So do not make any video and tell people that I threaten you. I don't need to threaten you. I know
You don't even speak on him in that type of a way. Because you don't give a crap. You're busy posting up your
Right.
stuff them that you have for sale. And right now, Sharista.
Send my video say you say me threatening you and me send man come. Really? I literally can't come for you
I'm
myself.
about to call up and say me suck too much. You don't know. Because be bad man rifle me clean with my mouth. And you call anybody name, they go come for you. Me not ask Christ. Be bad man rifle me clean off with me tongue and me clean them pistol that. So nobody come say me go boss.
Don't
Leave me alone.
I can literally come for you right now myself.
Nah, boss, we not go for love you. Make it talk.
But I just warn you, stop call up my name. We are not friends. I don't want anything to do with you. It doesn't matter if your enemies are my friend. That's none of your business. I can shoot for whoever I want to shoot for on the app. That's not your business.
Who is Derrick? Who is Derrick? So enemy? Derrick can't be me enemy. Me not even look.
You broke now, and the lady not getting no money for finance you and keep you up. That's not my business either. But don't call my name to get a hype, cause you fall off long time.
And the man I take the same phone you buy for him for class you pon. You not see them beg. You not see them people there?
The same phone where you class me pan, and me begged somebody for buy you the phone. I literally gave you the money in your hand.
No, you should say you fuck your poke if you get it.
Yeah, that's
You know, say you sell post. You should tell you sell off one might fuck there and make you get the same phone. So,
I don't know how low you can drop the standard where you not have. I don't know how low you can go. Cause you coming and telling people say me sell pussy and me sell pussy for buy what I'm saying for sell clothes, for get wig, all type of fuckery where you come up with.
but you know see soon as you start call up your car, you start get car problem and say but you sell pussy for car.
Yeah, say me sell pussy for car. The
Watch
fuck?
scams come with the real page there.
The fuck? This car that I'm driving is my third car. Not first, not second, my third car. Suck your mother. You don't own a bed. You don't even have a bedded for lean back pan. But so when you walk list and bad mind, wanna text set pan young girl. Because you know, come tell the people them say, Maka owe me for my clothes them, you know. You know, come talk them something there, you know. You know, come tell the people them say she trust clothes for you put on your back, cause you did naked and she not pay for them all now. You know, come talk them something there. But you want to come and try bring me down. You can't bring me down. You can't bring me down. The last time you cost me at 20,000 followers me get. And I'm not gonna do that with you again. I don't have the energy for it. But me can tell you, if you think your name Derrick Anthony Morgan, put out my number and put out my address and we'll take it from there. Me not have no more time for argue. Me not have no more time for argue. A whole heap of hungry boy there streets when I like you. And they will be so eager to get rid of you. Trust me. Stop fucking around people on the internet. Else you're gonna meet your demise. So all the video them where you post and put bomb me on your page. Stop making up stories. If I want to hurt you, I can hurt you. I will hurt you. But the fact that me I mind my own business, I'm a day over here, so I'm a member you. Stop calling my name. You and somebody have something, do not draw me into it. You're not my friend. I'm not your friend. I will never ever support you again.